Writing is one of the most important skills to have if you want to succeed in life. If you can write, you can do anything. It is not only about words. The words are only a tool to express your thoughts and feelings. You need to know how to use them to express your ideas, thoughts, and feelings. Writing is a skill that needs to be learned. There are many ways to learn how to write well. Some people like to read books while others prefer to listen to audio tapes. There are also those who would rather watch videos. But for the purpose of this article, I will focus on the most common way of learning how to write. That is through reading books. Reading books is very important because it allows you to gain knowledge about a particular subject. Reading also helps you develop your vocabulary. When you read, you also get to learn new words and expressions. As a result, you are able to communicate more effectively with other people. However, there are some disadvantages of reading books. First of all, reading takes time. If you are in a hurry, you may not find the time to read. This means that you will have to skip reading some parts of the book. Another disadvantage is that reading takes up a lot of your time. If you are a busy person, you may not find time to read. Therefore, it is better if you choose to learn how to write from a book instead of from a video or an audio tape. Another way of learning how to write is by listening to audio tapes or watching videos. However, there are some disadvantages of this method as well. The first disadvantage is that it is very expensive. The second disadvantage is that it is difficult to learn how to write if you are not familiar with the language used. For example, if you want to learn English, you will have to learn the language first before you can learn how to write in English. The third disadvantage is that you may not be able to understand the language used in the audio tape or video. For example, if you are learning English, you will have to understand the words used in the audio tape or the video. If you do not understand the words, it will be hard for you to understand the message that is being conveyed. The fourth disadvantage is that it is boring. It may take you long to finish listening to an audio tape or watching a video. The fifth disadvantage is that it may be difficult for you to learn how to write if the topic of the audio tape or the video is not related to what you want to write about. For example, if you just want to learn how to write about your favorite movie, it will be hard for the audio tape or the video to help you. The last disadvantage is that it is time-consuming. You will have to spend a lot of time listening to an audio tape or viewing a video. It may take you several hours to complete one audio tape or one video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.